Hello, you are welcome. Let's solve this question. What is the mass of 2.3 moles of sodium? What is the mass of 2.3 moles of sodium? Moles of sodium. Now I want to calculate a solution. They're asking you, what is the mass that 2.3 mole of sodium will produce? Now, we said look for a formula that relates mole and what you are asked to calculate. You know what you are asked to calculate is what? Mass. Look for a formula that relates mass and mole together. You see that it is what? This. Mole, this is the formula, equals to what? Mass over molar mass. Okay? Mole equals to mass of sodium over the molar mass. But what you are actually calculating is what? Mass. So you make mass subject of the what? Formula. You make mass subject of the formula. That is the same thing that this is over 1. You cross multiply. Mole times molar mass. Mass times 1. That is mass times 1 is still give you mass. Equals to mole times molar mass. Mole times molar mass. So mass is equals to mole times molar mass. We know the mole to be what? 2.3. Mole equals to what? 2.3. 2.3. What about the molar mass? Molar mass of sodium equals to, since it is only sodium, you use the mass number. Let's assume it is a compound like this. Let's assume it is a compound like let's assume it is a compound like this. Let's assume it is a compound like this. That is, it will be the mass number of sodium times 2 plus the mass number of oxygen. You will get the molar mass. But here, since this is just only one sodium, so you use the mass number. And what is the mass number of sodium? The mass number is what? 23. 23. Let me just 23 gram per mole. 23. Then since we have gotten our mass number of sodium to be this and mole to be this, then let's substitute it into this formula. We have mass equals to mole is equals to what? 2.3 mole times the molar mass, which is what? 23 gram per mole. Okay. If you should multiply 2.3 times 23, it will give us 2.3 times 23. So what is there is 52.9. But approximately, if you should round it to the nearest whole number, it's approximately what? Approximately 53. What is the unit of mass? Gram. So the correct answer is, yes, the correct answer is correct. The correct answer is option A. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.